Kat and I have a very special guest with us, and her name is Naomi. Today we're gonna make croutons. Bread is probably one of the most ancient foods that are common to every culture in the world. So here, you see, Naomi, we have cube that we made it into little cubes. Can you put, not yet, no, let's not do the salt yet, but can you please put these right in here in the bowl? Mm-hmm. Thank you. Look, just like that. Oh, yes. And we're gonna make crunchy croutons. And the oven is ready outside. Oh, yes, I see it. Very nice. And bread is one of those things that sometimes is wasted, but there are so many things one can do with bread that is left over, even day-old bread. You can make panzanella, bread crumbs. You can make Pappa al Pomodoro, bread pudding. All right, helper, can you help me put these back in there? Or are you just eating? Here, let's put those in there. You ready to help me?
What? Bread was hanging under them.
Oh, okay, can put it in there. Would you get me the rosmarino, the rosemary, please? Where is the rosemary?
Yeah.
That's it. And guess what Nona's gonna do? Here, you can help me this way. Put your hand like this, hold it, and Nona is gonna slide it. Woo! And look at there. All the little needles are on the cutting board. Let's try with this one. You ready? Pull back. There we go. Now we're gonna chop this up. Can you please cross your arms real quick? There we go. So Nona can cut these up. And look, we're gonna mince it. That means making it very, very fine. Now we could use something that we made in the past, which are kind of the flavors of Tuscany. This is rosemary and sage and sea salt. And that would also be nice, but today we're just gonna use rosemary. So cross your arms again. Naomi, do you think they're minced enough? Are they nice and fine?
Yes.
All right, what you can do now is take these and put them in with the bread. Can you do that?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Oh, look at there. Yes. Let's get them all up. And then on here, we're also gonna put some salt.
All right.
Salt, yeah, that's good. I might put another little dusting of salt. Not too much, but a little bit of dusting.
Right.
Perfect. All right, now you can stir them for me, and then I'm going to drizzle olive oil. Can you put your hands in here and just stir them up? We're gonna put a good bit of oil in here and really get in there and stir them like that. I think they're about right. What do you think?
Ready.
They're very good. We could also put a little bit of garlic powder or minced garlic.
No.
What? You don't want garlic?
Just this.
Just that? Okay. This time we'll make them just like this. Now we're going to have to put them in a pan and place them in the oven so they can toast. You ready? Are you ready? You're just busy eating, aren't you? Oh, that's enough salt. Okay, a little bit. But then that's enough. All right, let's put them all in this pan. Very good. I'll help you as well. Look at there. We make a good team, right? Whoa, not on the table. Try to get the pan. We can bring these out into the oven. You ready? Let's slide them into the oven. There is just a small fire going in the back. And occasionally we're gonna stir them. They're about ready. So once in a while, just give them a quick stir and watch them closely because they can get dark very quickly. They are perfect now. Let's take them inside. We are ready to put them in this bowl. And whenever there is some bread left over from a dinner, or just some bread left over, don't throw it away, but put it to good use. And one way is to make these beautiful, flavorful croutons. Would you like to taste one, Naomi?
Yes.
Let's see. They're not too hot. You can take one and try it and let us hear as to how crunchy it is. Wow, it is very crunchy. Even on a salad or just to snack on. Buon appetito. You want another one?